We're back at the bungalow project, the renovation project. Let me just spin the camera and show you a little bit of a change of plan. And what we've done, we've taken a couple of courses of bricks off here. We was going to have a flat roof, but we've lowered it down now because the flat roof looked ugly sticking out. We wanted to try and get the fascia and soffit to match up the existing, but with a flat roof it wasn't working. So under the we had some carpenters around, some chippers around to look at it. They said we'll go full height for the roof, but that wouldn't be under permitted development really. If we had a full height pitched roof to match the other existing pitched roof, which is there, it would have been miles too high and it would have been overpowering in the garden. So what we're planning is now to do a shallow pitch roof. The architect's drawn out for us, minimum of 18-degree pitch, so we're going to go for 20-degree pitch. So we're taking a couple of courses down here, and we're just going to bed on the timber plate. I'm going to bed it on and strap it on. Two timbers bolted together, and then when the roofer comes round, I think it's going to the chip's going to do what's called a flitch beam. So the steel there goes in between two timbers. So you bolt that steel between two timbers. That creates your ridge, and then the other timbers go up against it. Yeah. So the plan is to cut 4 timbers up, bolt them together or screw them together, and that's going to be the plate for the rafters. So we've done them, we've cut them up. So they're ready to be screwed together, and they're going to go on the top there. And then, as I said, this plate here, steel plate here, you have 2 timbers either side. The steel plate we've got there, we have 2 timbers bolted either side, or bolted through, sorry. 2 timbers either side, bolted through. That creates your ridge then, and then you can put the timbers on that. And that's going to be done by a chippy, I think, but we just got to get these plates up, and then off we go. Just a thought, when I was checking through the other videos, check out video 1 and 2, you'll see the massive difference. We've got the windows in, porch is gone, the drive's looking a lot better now. We had all this type 1 put down. And, if you remember, you look at the other videos, you'll see it's getting there, slowly but surely. Yeah, so we plan to do, I think, just about 20-degree pitch. We've worked it out, it should. That pipe's got to be moved, but the gas vent pipe there for the boiler, it should just come about 5 bricks underneath that there. That's the plan anyway. That's the timber plates put on for the roof. They're bedded in there, look. They're ready now for the rafters and joists and that to go around, the ridge timbers to go in there with the flitch plate or whatever it's called. Next week. So they should be, and they've got to be, obviously they've got to be strapped on with some straps that we bought. The roof will be doing that. Next job, indoors, and we've got to do some floor leveling, ready for the doors, and chippy to come in and do some door work, and I'll show you that next few clips. So we've had the chippy background and carpenter background today to do a little bit at the back on the roof, and my son had a day off, a couple of days off to help. So it's looking pretty good. They've been busy apparently, so let's have a little look and they've gone. Right. Oh, nice one. Let's have a little look here. Oh, it's looking good now. It's proper. So he's put, I think he's got to come back, put some weld this on here. He's put a steel box section there with a little a bracket at the top there to support the ridge beam, and that beam is going into the wall. That looks solid. That looks a bloody lovely job. That it's all bolted together. These ones here are doubled up because they're having skylights in there, Velux windows. So yeah, we had a chippy come round, give us a decent price, and my son said he'll help him sort of reduce the cost by my son helping him out a little bit. I think it's one of the hardest days' work my son's done. I think it's cracked on really well. I mean, this is just a day's work. After we put those plates on, the last little clip you saw, we put these timber plates on, and there, and he's done the joist there. Looking pretty good actually. I've not seen it myself yet. Hardest tower for a couple of days. That is bloody good. I'm pleased. So I think my son George has got a roofer coming around to have a look at where the batten's going to go or something, and then get the roof on. The gable end's going to be bricked up, and the bifold doors are in. Once the bifold doors are in, the roof's on, then we can open up this at the back finally and start working in that room there and bring it through to here. So it's looking good. I'll finish this clip off here and have a little nose about myself. Let's just go down the garden and have a little look. Hang on. What I'll do another little clip. I think they're coming back Friday, another day, to finish off. Have a little nose. Hang on. Have a look what it looks like from the back. The reason we did it like this, a shallow pitch roof in the end, was to so the fascia and soffit can run straight down the side of the building with a flat roof. With the high, we wanted the ceiling in here to match the ceiling in the room inside there, because that's going to be a lounging kitchen. We wanted it all to match. The way we had it drawn up initially to get the ceiling to match, the roof stuck out, the flat roof stuck out. It looked ugly. It stuck out the corners. To get the fascia soft to match, the roof had to go up higher, and at the corner it stuck out. But the way we've done it like this with a shallow pitch, it looks like a nice add-on. We wanted it to look like an extension, but we didn't want it to be overbearing, overpowering, because the garden's not massive. But this would be nice, and this ceiling's going to be vaulted, so this is the height of the ceiling pretty much. Well, we've got insulation and boards to go on there, but it's looking really bloody good. Yeah, I'm well pleased with that. Lovely job. So next clip will be in a couple of days' time when the chippy comes back and finishes off. And then we'll get the roof in, I think, and get some brickers in to do the gable end. Thank you for watching for now. I'll see you in a bit. So last little clip of last little video clip of the bungalow renovation project. Done a few bits and pieces since you last had a little look round. Electrician has been back to do some more work. Let's spin the camera and show you what we've got so far. So, got some electrics now, three-way switching on the old ceilings, spotlights. I think I've showed you the doors on already, a little bit of architrave, a little bit of skirting going on here and there. Got lights, consumer units in now, extractor fans going there as well. We've got lighting in there, lighting in this other room as well now. Oops. Window boards are on. Just starting doing a bit of decorating now. My son's just doing a little bit of decorating now, and then we're the doors are on. A bit prematurely, but we've got the doors. The chippy had a bit of spare time, so we've got the doors and door handles and stuff on. Just got to give them a coat, I think. Electrics, three-way switching here. There's a switch there for that, and there's also another switch there, which operates it as well. Bathroom's not a lot's happened to the bathroom so far, but I think it's got a lighting as well, isn't it? Yeah. Spotlights in there, in the ceiling. Turn it off. This room now. So we've got sockets have gone on. Sockets on. Son's done a brilliant job with the window balls on. Sockets there. Fascia plating he's putting on for that Ethernet lead for the TVs. Getting really good now. Just bit of skirt, bit of architrave, bit of decorating, and then we've got to do the floor. And this room has not really been touched. This is Joe's room, my eldest son's room. He needs to do this when he gets back from America. And then looking really good so far. And then we've had the Gable end's been bricked up, so we'll just shoot down the back and have a look. So if you look over my shoulder, you'll see that the Gable end's been all finished. Up there, there's a couple of corners. It's just got to finish the corners off. He missed them out for some reason. And then we've got to put some tyres on there to tie it in. We've got to put some tyres on there to tie it into the joists. So this is what we've got: a shallow pitch roof, and we've got two big windows going in here and here. And we'll take the camera around here. That's going to be your height of your ceiling. This is going to actually be the ceiling height. That's going to be like a vaulted ceiling. I think my son's arranged for a roof to come around, so we've just got to put some straps on this brick and the Gable end brickwork to tie into the timber to keep it, secure it. And then I think the roof has come out, do the battering and belting and tiling. Once that's done, I think the bifold doors have been ordered. Once the roof's on, the bifold doors can get put in, and then this can be taken out. This will be all secure then, this can be taken out, and then we can start work on the inside. So that's all happening. Getting there, slowly but surely it's getting there. Well pleased with how it's come out so far. So thank you for watching these little clips and videos, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ta-da.